You won't believe these microgreens myths. Alright, let's get straight into it. Are microgreens just a salad trend or an actual superfood? I'm about to bust some myths. Super quick, let's go. Myth number 1. Microgreens are just baby sprouts. Nope, sprouts grow in water, you eat the whole thing. Root and all. Microgreens, they grow in soil, coconut fiber. You only eat the stems, leaves, totally different. Myth 2. Microgreens don't have more nutrients than regular veggies. Wrong again. Research shows microgreens can pack up to 40 times more nutrients than mature counterparts. That handful on your sandwich? Legit power food. Myth 3. Growing microgreens is tough and takes ages, actually super easy at home. Most ready in just a week or two. No green thumb required. Myth 4. Microgreens are expensive and only for fancy dishes. You do see them on gourmet plates, but you can grow a bunch with a handful of seeds. And sunlight. Way cheaper than you think. Last myth. Only for vegans or health nuts. Anyone can eat them. Toss them in eggs, sandwiches, tacos, whatever. They're for everybody. So next time you see a tray of microgreens, remember, they're not just trendy, tiny, tasty, totally powerful. Smash that like if you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one.